So just check the coolant system, everything else is filled, no sign of any leaks, and we didn't lose any coolant. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you watched the previous video, I did replace the coolant pump on my 4G63 engine on my EVO 8. Everything else is good. Drove the car for about a week or so and it's been running absolutely perfect. So today's video, we're going to be installing a test pipe on my EVO 8. So the car has a cat converter, but the honeycomb is punched out. Here is the test pipe that we picked up from my cousin Nolan. If you're watching this, shout out to you for giving me to this. It doesn't show any brand. It kind of looks like it's a STM tune test pipe, but we're gonna go ahead and slap this bad boy into my EVO 8. I think it's gonna sound loud and sound insane. I'm so excited to throw this on and see how it sounds like. Before we go ahead and start working on the car, I want to do a before and after video of how the car sounds like before we put the test pipe and after we put the test pipe. So first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna remove the nuts that's holding on the downpipe, and then we're gonna have to take out our AEM wideband O2 sensor that is on the downpipe as well too. Take out the hangers, lower down the exhaust, and then we can remove the stock cat converter on the car and put the test pipe. I don't have new gasket. I just hope that the gasket on top there is good. Let's just see how it is when we take it out. Right guys, we got the stock cat converter out. Here's a little side-by-side comparison with the test pipe on the side. Huge big difference. As I mentioned in the video, there is no honeycomb, so it's all punched out. You can see right through. Here is how this looks like, and you can see how big of a difference that is right there. So this one is a complete straight 3-inch down, and this one has like a little big old can. It's weird because it doesn't show that it had a gasket on top there, so it was like running without gasket. But then again, the car did not leak exhaust from the exhaust system, so it's kind of, that's crazy. So I did look on the downpipe and that doesn't have a gasket. It kind of looks like it slightly is leaking, but I think we should be okay. Put this test pipe back on the downpipe, put it back in the exhaust system. I'm really curious to see how this car really sounds like. I know I really sweat a lot. I really do. It's hot here in Kona, so we're gonna go ahead and put the test pipe on the downpipe, snap everything back in. Just curious to see how this car really sounds like. So we just finished installing everything, put everything back on the car. Man, I'm kind of curious how this car is gonna sound like. I think it's gonna sound super insane. I can guarantee you, from the downpipe to the test pipe that we're bolting into the flange, it's gonna leak. I know for sure it's gonna leak, but I don't really care. I will go to get a new gasket anyways and put it on, but for now I just want to see how this car really sounds like. Here is the cold start with the test pipe. It honestly doesn't sound too crazy. It just sounds like the same as we put the stock cat converter on. And actually, it is leaking from the downpipe to the test pipe, so oh well, whatever. But yeah, it's not that loud. Maybe let's just give it a little couple of rev and see how it looks like. Let's go ahead and just drive the car. See, maybe we can probably hear the turbo sound. I don't know. It's worth a try. Honestly, I don't know how I really feel about this. I don't know, I should be excited or should I feel like it was a waste of time. But it is what it is though. I had to call O'Reilly to see if they have a 3-inch flange exhaust gasket. Apparently they don't have, but they do have paper gaskets, so I might just make my own. And yeah, it is what it is though. But I figured maybe this might be make a little bit difference. I do definitely hit up my tuner, see if this car needs to be retuned now that we have a test pipe. So it's like 3-inch from the downpipe all the way to the exhaust. If you guys curious what kind of exhaust system I'm running, I am running a JMF manifold, Tomei and full exhaust all the way to the back. So car runs really good, besides that leak, so we need to get that really fixed. I am gonna go ahead down to O'Reilly, pick up gasket and just make it my own. But yeah, fortunately I'm not gonna be doing a rolling shot video of, or just doing a drive-by with exhaust, because the area that I want to go, there's people running and I really don't want to leave my camera on the stand and somebody takes it. So, but I know video don't do really justice either. Drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Obviously it kind of does sound like it's from, the car sounds like a B4, like, or the car sounds like the same, but oh well, maybe she's just not beefy enough. We have to do an upgraded turbo eventually, get this car to 10 seconds so we can send this to the moon. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hello guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.